Hello and namaskar everyone. Today's topic is common noun and proper noun, chapter number 7, as well as we will be doing extra grammar exercise of chapter number 8 also, that is nouns, singular and plural. So dear kids, first we will be learning about chapter number 7, common noun and proper noun. Then we will do the exercise of common noun and proper noun. Then we will be proceeding to next chapter, that is chapter number 8, nouns, singular and plural. So first I will explain you what is common noun and proper noun. So dear kids, what is common noun? Common noun is a general name for the same kind of person, place, animal or things. Common noun जो है वो क्या है? General name, मतलब जो specific नहीं होता. General name for the same kind of person, place, animal or thing. And common noun always begins with small letters. Now come to proper noun. Proper noun is special name that are particular names of person, place, animal or thing. Proper noun is special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Proper noun can be made up of more than one word. Example, sunset, palace. Two words are there, na? Sunset and palace. So it can be made up of more than one word. Now see, a proper noun always begins with capital letter. It always begins with capital letter. For example, Taj Mahal. Capital letter is there, na? Capital letter T. So this is the definition of common noun and proper noun. ये आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखना है, आपको सिर्फ समझना है. वाइट पेज वाली चीजें जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, that you need only to understand. Okay. Now the next is, take out your notebook, pencil and eraser and let's write the exercise of extra grammar exercise of chapter number 7, common nouns and proper nouns. Dear kids, give heading chapter number 7, noun, common nouns and proper nouns. And don't forget to give today's date also. Write it down, chapter number 7, nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Done. Now give heading extra grammar exercise. Now give heading extra grammar exercise and write it down. First one question. Write P if the underlined word is a proper noun and C if the underlined word is common noun. Write P if the underlined word is proper noun and C if it is a common noun. Give heading. And then write it down. The first question. Our school is on the Central Avenue. Our school is on the Central Avenue. Now Central Avenue is what? Proper noun or common noun? Proper noun. So we will write P in this dash. Then come to B1. Park Street has many restaurants. Park Street has many restaurants. Restaurants are what? कॉमन नाउन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली किसी का भी कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट का नाम तो नहीं दिया है. सो वी विल राइट सी. राइट इट डाउन सी, कॉमन नाउन. एंड कम टू C1. Adi and his friend are acting in a play. Adi and his friend are acting in a play. Done. Now friend is what? Common noun. Friend का नाम नहीं दिया है ना, so we will write C. Common noun. जो भी अंडरलाइन है उसको आपको अंडरलाइन भी करते जाना है. हाँ, वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन भी करते जाना है आपको. और जो भी वर्ड अंडरलाइन है हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है कि ये प्रॉपर नाउन है या कॉमन नाउन है. डन. नाउ कम टू D1. D is Hema enjoys collecting stamps. Hema enjoys collecting stamps. Now here Hema is underlined and it is a proper name. So we will write proper noun. P for proper noun. Now come to E. Our teacher Mrs. Gupta is on leave today. टीचर पे अंडरलाइन है तो हम क्या करेंगे? C for common noun. Write it down common noun here. सामने डैश करते जाना है आपको छोटे छोटे, इसी तरीके से सेम. Likewise only you need to write. Now come to F1. My favorite author is Enid Blyton. My favorite author is Enid Blyton. And it's a proper name. Yes, Enid Blyton is a proper name. So we will write P for proper name. Now come to G1. Mindy named her puppy Muffy. Mindy named her puppy Muffy. Puppy is common noun, so we will write C. Now come to H1. I want to travel to many countries when I grow up. I want to travel to many countries when I grow up. Countries are common name, so we will write C for common noun. अगर यहाँ पे दिया होता इंडिया या फिर अमेरिका तो हम लिखते P for proper noun, बट यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? कंट्रीज दिया है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? C. Now come to the next one. Give heading question number 2. Write a proper noun for each common nouns. हमें proper nouns लिखने हैं for each common nouns. Planet. First one is planet. PLANET. फिर उसके सामने एक छोटा सा डैश कर दीजिए. Afterwards we will write the answers. First let us complete the question portion. And then write it down. B is sportsman. SPORTS sports. MAN man. Then come to C1. That is country. COUNTRY country. D is school. SCHOOL school. And don't forget to give the dash in front of each and every word. सब वर्ड के सामने आपको डैश भी लगाते जाना है. Then E is month. MONTH month. And F is Festival. Festipal. Festival. लिख लिए सबने क्वेश्चंस. Write the proper noun for each common nouns. First one is planet. Come on, tell me one name of a planet. So the answers are, the first is planet. So I had written Earth. EARTH, Earth. Sportsman, Virat Kohli. Don't forget to write all the proper names in capital letter. Then country, तो India, INDIA, India. School name, NEGS, New Era Global School. Then month, June. And festival, Holi, HOLI. I hope that question number 2 all of you have done in your notebook. Let's proceed to question number 3. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Now this question is your homework, so listen to it carefully. को क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन करना है कॉमन नाउन और सर्कल करना है प्रॉपर नाउन्स. एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हैव यू मेट प्रिया माय कजिन? हैव यू मेट प्रिया माय कजिन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. चलो फर्स्ट वाला मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. सर्कल प्रिया एज इट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन and underline cousin as it is a common noun. बस बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चन भी करने हैं. Now the next one is, Minnie is not in the class today. Minnie is not in the class today. Come to C1. Ronnie often looks after his little brother. Ronnie often looks after his little brother. Come on, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको लिखने हैं. नोटबुक में लिखते जाओ मेरे साथ साथ. I am dictating and you need to write it down. And D1 is the country I want to visit this year is Australia. Write it down. The country I want to visit this year is Australia. Then write it down. E. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Done. Now tick and write it down. Homework. Tick here and write it down. HW. Now let's proceed to our next chapter, that is chapter number 8. Nouns, singular and plural. Now close your notebook and look here for a while. Later on when I'll instruct you to open your notebook, at that time you need to write it down in your notebook. देखो, noun, singular and plural. Singular means only one and plural means more than one. Here apple and here apples, more than one, na? That's why we had written S. Now, when a noun refers to only one thing or person, it is said to be singular in number. जब noun सिर्फ one चीज से refer करता है तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Singular in number, and we say it singular noun. Dish, plant, potato, toy, these all are what? Singular noun. When a noun refers to more than one thing or person of the same kind, it is said to be plural in number. When a noun refers to more than one thing or person of the same kind, it is said to be plural in number. For example, dishes, plants, potatoes, and toys. Now there are certain rules to change singular into plural. Let us see that rules. Rule number 1. For some nouns, we add s to the singular noun to form the plural noun. For some nouns, we add s to the singular nouns to form the plural nouns. We add an s to singular noun to make them plural. We add what? S to singular noun to make it plural. To form the plural of nouns ending in sh, ch, s, ss or x, we add es. कुछ नाउन्स में हम s लगाते हैं, whereas कुछ नाउन्स जो एंड होते हैं sh, ch, s या ss या x से, वहां पे हम क्या लगाते हैं? es लगाते हैं. डियर किड्स, ये सारे चैप्टर्स हमने पहले भी कर लिए हैं, इसलिए हम इससे अभी थोड़ा फास्ट रिव्यू कर रहे हैं, रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. सो कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर ओनली. सी, डिश तो डिशेस, ब्रांच, ब्रांचेस. यहाँ पे sh से फिनिश हो रहा है, वेरेज यहाँ पे ch, यहाँ पे s और यहाँ पे ss और यहाँ पे x. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स में हम क्या लगाएंगे? es, 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 es and es. डिश तो डिशेस, ब्रांच तो ब्रांचेस, लोटस, लोटसेस, ग्लास, glasses, box to boxes. See the third rule. If the singular noun ends in f, fe, then the f or fe is removed and ves is added to the noun to form its plural noun, to form its plural form. If the singular noun ends in f or fe, इसका मतलब है अगर singular noun f या fe से फिनिश होता है तो हम f और fe को रिमूव करके वहां पे क्या लिखेंगे? ves. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शेल्फ तो शेल्फ्स, हमने f को रिमूव करके ves लिखा ना, तो शेल्फ, शेल्फ्स. Now let us see rule number 4. If the singular noun ends in y and there is a consonant before it, अगर सिंगुलर नाउन y में एंड होता है एंड वहां पे उसके पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है, सो वी विल रिमूव y एंड वी विल एड ies to the nouns to form its plural form. For example, baby to babies. And rule number 5 is some nouns form the plural form a little differently. They can be termed as irregular plural forms. For example, tooth to teeth. Now dear kids, take out your notebook, give heading chapter number 8, nouns, singular and plural, and give subheading extra grammar exercise. Now it's time to give another heading. Change the singular nouns to plural and the plural nouns to singular. Change the singular nouns to plural and the plural nouns to singular. Heading portion done. Now give 2 columns. Make 2 columns or write singular and leave some space and write plural. Like this as shown here. Then in singular wala column write it down flower. And then give a small dash in front of plural wala column. Then flower. Flower के बाद स्पेस छोड़ के प्लूरल वाले कॉलम पे डैश कर दीजिए. Here we are going to write the plural form of flower. Now then B. सिंगुलर वाले कॉलम में डैश कर दीजिए एंड प्लूरल में लिखिए डॉल्स. And come to C1. Write it down shelf in singular wala column and dash in plural wala column. Then write it down C shelf and give dash in plural column. Then come to D1. Give dash in singular column and write it down potatoes in plural wala column. Then come to E. Write it down fox and give dash in plural wala column. Then F1 dash in singular column and babies in plural column. That means we need to give singular form of babies. Then write it down G roof and give dash in plural column. Then come to H. Give dash in singular wala column and write keys KEYS in plural wala column. Then come to I. Write it down cherry and give dash in plural wala column. Then come to J. Give dash in singular column and mice in plural column. Write it down mice in plural wala column. Now let's solve this exercise. अगर सिंगुलर दिए तो हमें उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म लिखना है और अगर प्लूरल दिया है तो हमें उसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म लिखना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज फ्लावर. तो क्या होगा फ्लावर का प्लूरल फॉर्म? सो हियर आर द आंसर्स. फ्लावर्स, टॉल, शेल्फ्स, पोटैटो, फॉक्स तो foxes, baby, babies, roof, roofs, key, keys, cherry, cherries, mouse to mice. So this is how we had completed chapter number 8. Question number 1 extra grammar exercise. Now give heading question number 2. Question number 2 is here and this question is your homework. So write it down. Complete the sentences with either the singular or plural form of the noun in the brackets. देखो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म्स दिए हैं. आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली आपको देखना है कि सिंगुलर फॉर्म है कि प्लूरल फॉर्म है, सेंटेंस कौन से फॉर्म पे है, उसके बेसिस पे आपको डिश, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम, मैनी। मैनी लिखा है मतलब क्या आएगा, डिशेस आएगा। सो वी विल एड ES हियर। बट यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, सिर्फ बनाना। यहाँ पे 6 मोर चेयर्स, CHAIRS, चेयर्स आएगा। फर्स्ट लेट अस राइट द क्वेश्चंस। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर आर, heading done, complete the sentences with either the singular or the plural form of the nouns in brackets. Now give question number 1. There were many dash to be washed. There were many dash to be washed. Give bracket and write it down, dish. Then write it down the another one. I ate 1 dash in the morning. I ate 1 dash in the morning. In bracket write it down, banana. Then come to the next one and write it down, C. We need 6 more dash in the room. We need 6 more dash in the room. Come to D1. A yellow dash is waiting outside the school. A means सिर्फ एक, so बस है यहाँ पे, तो हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ बस लिखेंगे. A yellow bus is waiting outside the school. Now see E1. The magician took out 3 dash out of the bag. 3, it means more than one we are talking about. So in bracket they had written rabbit. So here what we will write? Rabbits. We will add S. Now see F1. I saw 3 dash. I did not know which one to turn on. I saw 3 switches. When we are talking about more than one, it means it's plural. So we will write watches. We will add ES here with switch. So we will write switches. I saw 3 switches. I did not know which one to turn on. I hope that this exercise is clear and you will able to complete it. Then also if you face any difficulty, you can ask me. And bye. Take care. Enjoy the weather. Thank you.